Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Flip 3 Essential Bluetooth speaker which has crackling sound problem. This has sent by one of the subscriber of this channel AudioViz 360. He sent this from Murshidabad directly here to Bengaluru. So alright, without wasting any time, let's tear this parcel and see what is the problem exactly in the speaker. So let me tear this down and come back. So this is the speaker which I have taken out from the parcel. Alright, now let's turn this on and see what is the problem. So there is a crackling sound in the speaker. Let me connect this to smart device and listen the audio so that we can confirm the speaker driver problem. Which side is the problem? JBL Flip Essential has come. Just clicking it. Alright, now let me play the song here.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side.
So alright, crackling sound is coming. So I think the most of the crackling sound is coming from this left side. So now let's take out this cover here. Just by prying this mesh it will come out. This is the speaker. Let me clean this and test it again. So alright, I have cleaned this. Now it is glowing. Let me play the song here.
Hold me close till I get up, time is barely on our side.
So alright, the speaker of this side is giving the crackling sound. So let me take out the speaker here. So these are the 4 screws and this is the driver which is creating the crackling sound problem. There is a rubber seal here. This is very important. If you throw this or if you forget to place here, there will be crackling sound problem again. This blocks the air which distorts. So alright, now what I am going to do is I am going to take out this speaker wire. Polarity is very important. So before taking out, check it out. So this side it is plus, so the white with black is plus and the complete black is minus. So alright, this is the crackling sound problem driver. So I am going to replace this driver by JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speakers driver, that is also same of 8 watts RMS each. This is also 8 watts RMS and Flip 3's driver is also 8 watts RMS. The design, everything is completely same, but there are few physical changes. Further it will sit here in this speaker as well. So I am going to show you that driver. So this is the speaker which is harvested from this JBL Flip Essential, Flip 3 Essential. So I am going to use this speaker. This is harvested from JBL Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker. There is nothing difference except there will be a small hole here. You can see, I'm coming close up here. You can see there are tiny holes here. In this there will be no tiny holes. Rest both speakers are of same wattage, same size, same dimension. In the Essentials driver there will be 2 terminals here. The third one will be not there, but in this the third one is there. This is of no use for this Essential, so I am going to leave this terminal. The reason is this has only 2 wires, plus and minus. Here you can connect plus and here you can connect minus. This you can leave like that only. And for these small holes I am going to show you. And I wanted to tell you that this is harvested from JBL Flip 3. This is the Flip 3 speaker. You can see this has JBL Connect. This is full version and this is Essential. This Flip 3 has JBL Connect button here and mic is there to take calls, but in this Essential there is no mic to take calls and there is no JBL Connect button. This button connects 2 speakers together as TWS. That option is not there in this speaker. I will show you this by turning this side. You can see this is power on button and this is power on button. This is JBL Connect button and there is no JBL Connect button here, but there will be 5 lights here to show the charging indicator, battery capacity, and similarly there will be buttons here, there will be buttons here. The drivers will be there, 2 drivers, same to same. The body is same almost. Internally it is bit different. So this is the driver which is harvested from this Flip 3. Only one thing what we have to do is like we have to take these small plastic parts. You can see I'm coming closer here. this part we have to cut it using knife. There will be two parts like this, here and here. So if we just cut using knife, that's it. This Flip 3 full versions driver will get seated using the same rubber seal here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Even you can do it by yourself by buying the speaker from AudioViz 360 and Gadget Spares. So alright, now what I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to cut these small pieces. I'm going to zoom it and show clearly. So simply I'm going to cut like this. So that piece is gone here from this point, and similarly I'm going to cut this here as well. It is very simple to cut. You can see now it is gone completely. Make sure it is bit flat. That's it. Now I am going to keep this seal here, and plus will go to this plus, minus will go to this minus. So I am going to solder this. It is written plus here and minus here. That's it. Now it's time to connect the minus terminal here. Even you can do the same thing by yourself. No need to send the speaker here. Just you have to identify the speaker which is giving the problem. So alright, now this is soldered. Now I am going to place this packing gasket here properly. So this is perfectly fine. Now I am going to keep the speaker. Now you can see it is perfectly fitting. Just we have to put the 4 screws, and I will show you the proper demo here. There will be no crackling sound at all. This will be a perfect fit because this is Flip 3's speaker driver and this is Flip 3 Essential. So both drivers specification is of 100% same. Just physically it is bit different. That's it. The look wise it is bit different. So let me tighten the screw here and I will show you the demo here. Now all 4 screws is tightened. It is perfect. Now I am going to turn on. There will be no crackling sound. You can see there is no crackling sound now itself. So this will connect to the smart device and I am going to play the song here. So I am going to play the same song.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So there is no crackling sound. It is working perfectly. Even if you have same problem with your JBL Flip 3 Essential or JBL Flip 3 Stealth Edition, SC Edition, just you check out, take out the mesh cover, play the song and just hold the speaker like this. So if the distortion comes, if you hold like this, the distortion will stop. The other speaker will work perfectly, or otherwise you can test it like this. Hold this speaker and test this speaker. If the both speakers are working perfectly, then there will be no crackling sound, and there is a possibility the both drivers may have crackling sound problem. So in that case you have to replace the both drivers, and I have shown you the steps how to replace the driver here. Just there will be a plastic piece like this that you have to cut it using small knife, 5 rupees knife, and you have to replace this JBL Flip 3 full versions speaker driver, you can buy it from AudioViz 360 and Gadget Spares. So price I will give it in the title and in the description of the single driver. So this will be sent through India Post, Speed Post. So if you want to buy this, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. Price I will give it in the title and in the description. Or else if you want to do service from me directly, you can send it to me using Speed Post or any courier service to Bangalore. Here I will share you the address if you want in the WhatsApp. Alright, now let me close the mesh here and play the song again here. So this has been covered. The crackling sound might be because of the air leakage from anywhere. So make sure the air leakage is not happening in your speaker before checking and ordering the drivers. Most of the cases I have seen so many speakers in the Flip Essential and Stealth Edition, the speaker gives crackling sound. So that is because of the speaker drivers. And sometimes these passive radiators, there might be cracks here. If you have cracks, then air leakage will happen from this side or this side. So that air leakage will give crackling sound problem. In that case, you have to replace these passive radiators. So before ordering the speaker driver, check out whether the problem is from the speaker driver or from the base radiator. So both the things is available. Speaker drivers and base radiators are available here for sale. So if you want to buy that, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. If you want to do service, please do message again on the same WhatsApp number.
What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Alright, again I have to pack this speaker and I have to send this back to Murshidabad to one of my subscriber of AudioViz 360. Alright, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like this video, because there are so many viewers watching this video. Just hitting one like button, please, it will really motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.